Good evening, everyone. Let's see if everything works just fine. Or not. Good. Yeah, looks like it's working. Hey, welcome back, everyone, to another live stream. I just got back from a small holiday. Yeah, had a great time. Went skiing a little bit. Didn't fall. Had a great time with the family and friends. Had some amazing ideas while I was out in the mountains and in the snow. Yeah, and I've actually been doing some of those things already. One of those things I started right before I went on my little break, and that is the gauntlet mode. That is something that I had in the game, well, I think so, almost since the beginning. The idea is that basically you get waves and waves of enemies. Now this brought about some cool stuff. Let me show you what I thought about, because I don't have a lot of enemies. I only have seven enemies in the game. But you can, of course, which is something I did not think about before. Let's say you have like the normal boombox, which basically walks towards you. Let me turn my audio off a little bit. Which turns towards you, then starts shooting. Then he has some amount of health. Ooh! I just came up with something else. But then you might actually also have sort of the upgraded version, which I have colored red in this case. They shoot more, they shoot faster, they shoot multiple bullets in a wider arc, stuff like that. And I can't believe I didn't think of that before. They should, of course, have more health. Let's put a pin in that. Can we put a pin in that? So let me show you what the gauntlet mode is right now. So you step in here and you start the gauntlet mode. And I have no idea why this man is messing about. But basically it's... What is happening with him? What is happening with you? With you. Yes, with you specifically. What is happening here? I made some changes in the behavior, so I think I know what's going on, but let's check it out in a while. Anyhow, so you have some enemies, and enemies have a point value, and it basically spawns in enemies according to a their points. Oh, actually spawned in a laser spinner. Wow, that audio is way off. Why is that audio off? Oh, and look at his head. Ah! We most definitely have some fixing to do. Well, then the wave is complete, and so on, and so on, and so on. Is there another laser spinner by any chance? Oh, yeah. Why does your head... Let me see if I can fix the laser spinner. Well, welcome to... We were going to make one feature, but now we have to fix some enemies again. Which, like, I honestly don't get it. Let me first do this. So this bombardier, let's first do this. Let's crank up their hit points. Let's double them. I will double it. Double or nothing. He'll also get stronger, right? 8. Boombox. Boombox. Then I'll try and 10. Right, why not? Also 10. I feel like a regular boombox should only have 4, not 5. That's just the feeling I have. All right, let's see. First of all, let's see if we can emulate this man tripping balls. So I can't. So I guess it has something to do with him spawning in. The waves, by the way, are randomly generated, but they are seeded. So I generate them on a seed. So they actually are always the same. So everyone will always get the same waves. So that way we can, of course, check a high score off. So what is going on here? Right, let's check out some code, because I think I know what's going on. And it is the idle around. Oh, I need that one. And I think it is this. Let's check that out. We are redefining the target. Oh, I fixed this, I think, right before I went away. I hate stuff like that, because this used to work, right? So that's the whole thing. Let's see. Yeah, so he is constantly redefining the target. And so the thing is, this happens when the destination is not equal to let's first reset it, and let's, you know what, let's where do I actually set the destination? Let's see what happens if I override it first, so that it sort of becomes its own center. So basically what's happening is you cannot find a, or no. Redefining the target position. So what is exactly happening here? Let me zoom this in for you guys, so you guys can also see what's going on. Let's close this one up. Target position. So the thing is, walk to random point. Force on nav mesh. Target position is find a random point. Then we set the destination to that target position. But this only happens if the destination is not equal to the that. I find it hard that that happens. Oh. So this one. Oh, right. Yeah, so this only happens when he's not active. That is true, because now he needs to find a way. But I feel like if I go to the Sunken City, I'm sure you can save. I don't know necessarily what I changed. If I go to the Sunken City, now everything... See, these guys, they just work. So it has to do something with the fact that he gets spawned in, so that he is not active at the point. Don't save, I didn't change anything. So he gets spawned in. So this is its idle around, start, idle start, activate. What's in base activate? Alright, so that is fine. Activate. So we walk to a random point. That is the first thing we do. We walk to a random point. Target position is find a random point. So, but so why? So I spawn him in, and now he's tripping. Wait, or does it? No, because now he's tripping again. So this man just beat tripping. But why? Why would he be tripping? Why would he be tripping? So if I take a regular boombox, put him in here. This one is not tripping. Oh, this one is tripping. That is cray cray. What's different? See, I hate stuff like this, because what is different about this setup and this setup right here? Where are they? They're here in the beginning. See, because this one is not tripping balls. So if I, so let's say I take another box. Wow, boom box. There's a collider over there, which I hate. So right now, is this one tripping balls? No. This one's working fine. So why is it, don't save, that if I go into here, let's say I bake the nav mesh again, and I now take a boombox, put it over here. Does it have to do something with the activation? No. I think... Alright, let me see. It might be the case that it cannot find a spot on this, but that sounds ridiculous. Build height mesh. That actually works. Well, welcome everyone to Not Making the Gauntlet, Fixing Bugs. Why? Why is this the case? Why is it? Why is it? First of all, let's put in a different enemy. See what happens. See what happens. This one also trips balls. But why? Why? Huh? This makes absolutely zero sense. Huh? In the entrance. Yeah, sure, safe. There's always something strange. Here. Alright. So, let me... a boombox. Let me put one over here. Yes, of course, but he... Alright, so he's going to... So this one is also tripping. But why? I'm honestly asking, why? Why is he tripping? Because if I go to the Sunken City, Sunken City, City of Sunken. Now, all my friends right here, they are absolutely fine. And if I take another boombox and put it right here, he is absolutely fine. Heh? Heh? So if I go to, I don't know, the Iron Wastelands, drop a boombox right here. I'll set its activation range really small. Let me put this one on unfocused. This one also trips balls. Alright, so we'll have to fix that. So the first thing I wonder is, what is this white circle? Because I believe I draw a white circle at the target position. You know what? Gizmos, draw a sphere. I can actually also draw a sphere. How would I say that? Yes. Color. Make it red. This one, sure. Make it white. Why not? But this one I said on agent, which is enemy agent dot destination. Well, let's see what's going on here. There also is a red sphere in the center. Nevertheless, they seem to be quite on the same position, actually. How do these lines work again? Right, so that is like its path. All right, let me shrink this up a little bit. So the problem is the enemy destination does not equal the target position. Does it matter if the target position does not equal the destination? No. So that is fine. This works. See, I even commented. It works. So it should work. But it doesn't, because it keeps picking another point. And why? Let's see. Let's see what happens here. Finding a random point. Oh, sorry guys. Plus target position. Setting destination 2, and then I will take not this one, but enemy agent dot destination. Nice. Let me do. I don't know. I guess there are. You can actually set color in comments, right? Not really sure how to do that. Let's for now just do it like this. Hey, welcome everyone. Let's see what happens. Alright, let's pause that shit. Aha. Aha. So it has to do with the Y value, and that is why these are not aligned exactly. But that is interesting. So that means that so that means that actually, wait, where is that code? Can I see this? So because this is actually what matters. This is actually what matters. It's not the Y value, because the Y value can differ, but it needs to be the X and the Z value. Yeah, so instantly that works. So that's interesting. That is very interesting. And something I should have checked before if those values are actually the same, because the target position, but that's interesting. So the target position, it returns, wow, that is, so you learn something new about your own code every day. So that what it returns is not, I thought it actually returned a point on the nav mesh, because that is what it's supposed to do. So, yeah, so that, whoa, I don't know what's happening there. What the fudge? What the heck is happening? Why are all my enemies broken? Are you working again? You seem to be working again, but what the fudge is wrong with you? Let's see if that is broken everywhere. Oh, I don't want to play maximize. Well, it doesn't really matter. What the hell is going on there? Why are you tripping balls? What the heck is going on? Excuse me. I will also have to check out your head. So you. Auto braking? I don't know. So it actually idle around. It looks like it's setting a... Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. But if it's not active, it should return. I'd walk to a random point. Force onto a nav mesh. Is this a... No, it's not even. So it looks like this is old code, which can go. So, start firing. We start the fire routine. So that is cool. We say nav mesh, stop. Right, cool. Ball mode. Epic. Idle, activate. If it is not 0, wait, why don't I just deactivate that one? Why do I say this? And again, this has always worked, so I'm not sure why I need to be fixing, why this needs fixing right now. Alright, but why are you drawing the gizmo? Oh. Oh, let's take that one out, because otherwise it will keep complaining about that. I could put in a bracket in Unity editor, but I don't think we need it anymore, because we sort of found what the problem was. Don't save, because I changed nothing. Okay. And now it seems to work again. Which is complete nonsense. Like utter, I don't get it. Anyhow, now to the gauntlet and the thing I was actually trying to do. Because what I wanted to do is to get a upgrade station. Because I would love for the player to be able to buy some upgrades while they're in gauntlet mode. So one thing I'm wondering, so they are still actually killing me. So that is a thing. So that is one thing that needs to be... Huh, I actually thought while I went... I do think I am invulnerable though. So even I still get... So I now have... Come here. Come here, you. Why are you not... You were chasing me. Wait. No, I do get hit. Ah, so I'm not invulnerable with menu opens? That is funny. So because I cannot walk. Huh, that's interesting. That's another problem to solve. So, but we'll do that. First, the other problem. So the thing I did was, I said as soon as I spawn an enemy, I will find out if it has a spawn loot, and I will set that to active or to active false. I actually also, thinking about it now, I want to deactivate all skills. That is something I want to do. So player upgrades dot instance dot reset upgrades. Now this is actually a problem, because what this does is it reactivates them right away. So I actually want another function. Yeah. That one I would actually like to call reset, because that's what it's actually going to do. Or I could say find all references, player data. So I only do it over there. So that is fine then. Now I can just need to do this manually because of the gauntlet manager. Ooh, but then does that actually matter? Because I basically want to I want to sort of start fresh. So I will also need to remove all the upgrades from player data. Yeah. Purchase skill, purchase all skills. Clear all skills. You actually don't need to save that. Wait. I actually only have to say upgrade person. So clear. That is all I have to say. And then I might actually say here up player upgrades dot instance dot reset upgrades. And now, all right, so I should have thought about this because now I can actually say like so. Player upgrades. I can just basically do this again because then it doesn't matter anymore, because here I am going to say player data dot instance dot clear clear all skills. So now basically all skills are cleared and all purchases are gone. Yeah. That is cool, but it is not saved. Ooh, it is saved though. Because here your max gauntlet is saved. I might actually want to save this in a player prev. Because I don't want this linked to any specific. I think I will just do this in a player prev. Because I don't want this linked to any, because I can just basically clear all skills, which is fine. That basically clears everything and I don't save it. So reactivate, activate skill. That just activates the skill. That is not saved, so basically this clears everything. Then when you load your save game, all your, we can check that, of course, all your skills should be saved again. However, setting this will, I will remove this. I don't need this. I don't need this in my life. So this, I will have to take that one out. All that code, because all that code is basically debug code for debugging. So I will create here a private int max wave number, and I will say at the start player prefs dot get int, and the string I will use for that, I will make a const. No? Oh. Or is it like so? I always forget what it is. Oh. Or is it then not a private? Wait, I'm going freakishly crazy. I think I have some here. Const string. Ah, it's small letters. Ah, I am sorry. I am sorry. Const string. Alright. Get int max wave number. Otherwise, it is 0. So max wave number is that. And if you don't have it, it will become 0. So then starting the gun, previous high score, max wave number. That is pretty dope. Alright, so gauntlet is over. So if your current wave number, -1, excuse me, if your current wave number, -1, because -1 because you died in the last wave, so the last wave was not finished because you died. If that is higher than your max wave number, then we are going to player prefs.set to this. Yes, that is very good. Why is it complaining? Is it complaining about the... Oh, because of the player prefs? Does that... Do we need system for that? Oh, I need datetime. Oh, it's because I'm randomizing it again. Alright. I can just remove this. I also don't think Unity itself breaks over that. This was my old Gauntlet Manager, which can go because I now have a much better system. Wave complete. Alright, so let's see what happens. Yeah. So, wave 1. Previous high score is 0. Oh, but that would mean that I am now in... So, oh. That is interesting. What's happening? Closest enemy. Oh. Oh, I most definitely need to fix that. Why
Where's your head? Alright, so now I'm in wave 2. Let's see what happens when I die. Okay, so I die. Oh, it should most definitely clear the gauntlet, so we'll definitely have to do some work on that. Let's see, previous high score is 2. It says so right here. What is this? Always update the stamina bar. It's not the stamina bar. I'm not sure what happens there, but I guess it's complaining about enemy target being 0. What? What is 0? Get component and children destructible. But what is null? Frickin' hate this. Because why is this all of a sudden not working anymore? Why? Oh why? Oh. Why oh why is it not working anymore? You were working just fine a second ago, but now all of a sudden you're complaining about an error. Wait. Where's the error? That's all fine, that's all fine. Where's the error? Oh my god, oh my god. Ah, that doesn't work? No? Oh, screw you, Unity. Yeah. Then all of a sudden, object reference not set to an instance of an object. Okay. Camera main? Not is null? Guess if it doesn't have a destructible, you cannot. Alright. It took away my error. I'm guessing it's fine. I hate this. Alright. If I die... So that was one of the things. If I die, I need to remove all the enemies. So... End gauntlet. So the gauntlet ends. So I want to... So here I need to... clear all enemies. So for each... I do save them, right? I do have a list of enemies in current waves. Yeah. So that creates a new list. As soon as I spawn an enemy, I add it. Yeah, alright. So for each game object, enemy in enemies in current wave, destroy enemy. Wait, is it game object dot destroy? No, you need to try. So I might be able to do this, and then enemies in current wave dot clear. Let's do it differently. So new list game objects. Does that work? No, because I also don't want to destroy them. So, because I'm object pooling, of course. So that's enemy dot set active false. That is actually what I want. But I do want to remove them all from the thing. That is what I want. So let's see. Hey, you. Come. Ugh. Wait, why are you not activating? Oh yeah, I know why. That is also something really weird. So, I know for a fact that I'm sort of inside its circle, and as long as I start inside the circle, it sort of isn't activated. Now he just walks by me. But I want to die. Why won't you kill me? Wait, does it also happen when I go like this? No, then I just... Ah. Or did I technically die? Huh. Yes, I will check your head out in a second. So, they are not activating as long as I'm inside their thing. And now... Right, so they actually are gone. So they are all gone, that is good, but now... Why is that set to false? So that is also good. So, whoa, sorry guys. So now it does reset nicely. we'll have to make that localized at some point. Alright, let's first look into the laser spinner and why it is completely laser spinner. Alright. Late update, that is fine. Start spinning, that is also fine. Reset spin. Alright. Play one shot, extinguish. Oh, did I update the charge time? This should fix the head from crimping. So the charge sound, this should actually be here. I don't know why that one got switched. Oh, my phone is ringing. My phone is ringing. Yeah, so that is actually cool. Now, I don't like the fact that it doesn't have a charge sound. So I feel it should move to event. Wait. Hammer, swing hammer. But it does have an... Does it still have a... No. That is actually gone. Let's see. Let's open up Fmod for a second to fix this. La. Ignite. Alright. That is actually pretty dope. So that is a good sound, and then I see why it would be here during the charge phase. But it does not seem to play, does it now? Yes, it does. Oh, so that fixes it. Oh, alright. That's cool. So it just had the wrong sound. Alright, so that is dope. So that is that fixed. Okay, we'll deal with the problem of the enemies not stopping, because that is actually, I think, a really big thing while you're in here. But nevertheless, so what I want is, if you kill an enemy, you now don't get any material. So let's fix that, because I actually say here, if you have any loot, don't spawn it. But I want you to spawn loot because I want you to be able to buy upgrades. Hey, that is odd. So you're actually not getting any loot. Why not? Like, why not? Or was that still broken? I know at some point that was actually broken. Save, because I think I did some... Did I not fix that? I thought I fixed it. Let's see. Get to an enemy. No. So I actually do. Patrick, kill him. Because then I also get stuff, right? Yes. So I basically get material here. Let's open up another random level. Oh, this is the boss fight. Why? Why? Why did you think I changed anything? Right, so I also get material from there. So then the question becomes, why, when I'm in the gauntlet, I don't think I... Why is it that right now I am not getting any material? And let's say if I spawn one in like so, do I then get any material? No. Also not. So the question becomes, why not? Because I have here player data, which shows my material. I can actually check that. And I don't get any. Is it because... No, there is a game manager here, right? Is it because I don't have a save game or something? Because why can't it... Oh. Oh, right, yeah. So this basically just spawns the loot. I have a follow material. Yes, follow pickup. That's the thing. To kill, pick up. Pick up. Grab it, put a little makeup. Pick up. Wait. Huh? That is interesting. Spawn loot then. Aha. Amount of material. This is interesting. 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 Oh, slow-mo Unity. it's now looking for laser, but adding 0 material. Thus material is now 0. Wow. Alright. Huh. And if I go to a... Wait. Let's just check it out like so. Shoop. That... Boom, boom. Boom, 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 bot. Boombox. The animated one. Here's the spawn loot. Amount of material. 3. Alright. Chance of spawning is 1. Bonus material drop. Alright. So that is the thing. Bonus material drop is 0, but it should be 1. Wow. 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 That is really interesting. That is really, really interesting. So now it should actually be spawning. Alright, so now I have 3 material. That's pretty dope. Now I have 4 material. Now, when I go in here, I cannot buy shit because I have only 4 material. So, but this does mean, so that's pretty dope, that this actually works. Let's just not messes up too many things. So that actually means that as soon as I enter, I actually want player data dot instance dot material equals 0. You know what? I'll make a function out of that one. Add material, remove material, public void clear material. Here I will just say, because I want to do this, material equals 0. And update the HUD. Alright, so now as soon as you enter, your skills are cleared, your material is cleared, but this is not saved at all. So this would mean that right now I should be able to go exit this game. New Game Plus. Yes, I added New Game Plus. Let's load any save game, whatever. Alright, so this is in the Tide Watch. Do I already have some material? No. Alright, so now I have 10 material. Now, when I exit this game, and open the gauntlet, yes, I have 0 material. Now when I exit this game, oh wait, it didn't save. Frick, which one did I take? I can't remember. Let's do it again. Let's take number 14. Oh, that's the start of the game. That's annoying. That's fine. Let's go all the way to the end. this was 14, right? Yeah. Alright, so now it's saved. I have 8. Exit. Yes. Gauntlet. I have 0 material. I do still have shields. That is not correct because I should not have any shields. So that needs checking. Now we load a game. We load game 14. Oh. Oh. Or is that this one then? Oh, what is happening? There might... Wait a second. There might still be some old save games. Clear all paragraphs. Delete all save games. Oh. Oh, that's fine. Yes. So. Oh, but now I don't have the gauntlet unlocked. Because for that, you need to finish the game first. No. Let's see if this actually still works, because I think it is really weird. Now, of course, like starting in the gauntlet also already does some crazy stuff, right? Because normally, alright, you wouldn't be able to start there. Exit, no, but you should have saved. Why won't it load? I am going absolutely insane. Lovey-doveys, I am going absolutely incredible-frickin-sane. Starting a new game. Now it should save that I'm here. Exit the game. Sure. Now I have to go find out why this is... Mother... Managers. Implement experiment. No. Main menu. Where's my main menu? Game start menu. Alright. Just remain calm. Remain calm. Everything will be fine. I think this might have something to do with my New Game Plus thing. I might have accidentally broken it while implementing New Game Plus. Which is fine. We'll figure it out. Load option. Oh wait, that actually opens the... Load modal. Where's that one? Load game menu. Just look here. Alright. Create save file list. Cool. Delete save game. Alright, awesome. Get save start name. Pretty dope. Enable input, disable input. Delete save game. Delete save game. Plus, minus, minus. On destroy, disable input. That's fine. Get slot. That's That's fine. Enable input. But where is remove save file? That is fine. Load saved game. Get save slot from file name. Yeah, so that returns a file name. That is fine. But the interesting thing is we say load saved game, load game routine. All right. Wait until load player data. Debug the log. We'll just figure out what the current saved level is first. Let's set that real quick. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Huh. But I thought why is this hard coded? Oh my god, this is so terrible. And why do I only figure this out right now? This is terrible programming. Don't do this, guys, for exactly this reason. Just don't. Don't. It solves all your problems. Yes. It will most definitely solve my problems. But like for real, don't do stuff like that. That is like terrible programming. Okay, so now that it works again, I can finally start to test what I was about to test. No, I cannot start that because the gauntlet menu option is locked. So let's unlock that one first. All right. Ugh, my head. So we'll pick up exactly one. Then I'll blast myself to the exit. La 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 la. Alright, so now it saves again. Hey, such a nice face. You have one. Let's exit this crap. Let's go to the gauntlet. Now I have 0 and I have 0 shields, which is cool. Now I'll exit this. I'll load my game. Now I should have 1 material. And I should start here. That is cool. Fuck! I have 0 material. One, two, three, 4. No, adding 5 material. So it sets it to 0. Wow, this is terrible coding. All right, let's see if we can. Amazing. Material. I do actually load material. Let me check if I actually save in between. I eat it, the material. Oh no, the material be eaten. Alright, let's load this again. Although, now we should have. Whoa. Alright. Everything. I also shouldn't do this. Oh. Ready to go. So I have 10 material right now. This is the end of the line. I have 10 material. I say exit that game. Let's just see if it loads correctly. So I make a new save game. Now here I have 0 materials. Load. Which one is it? Second one? Alright, so this is this one. 0 material. Why do I have 825 warnings? Like, what the? Oh. I'll figure it out someday. Alright, so it is 1, which makes sense. Load game. 1. Alright, I'm now here. I should have 10 material. Alright, so I do have 10 material. So now I say exit. Ooh, it saves. So it says done saving. So I load this game. I actually load this one, resetting all the upgrades. And now I should have 0 again. So now I exit. So now when I go to the gauntlet and I go exit the game, it saves. Yeah, so that is a problem. When I exit the gauntlet, it should actually not save because it has nothing to save. But that is, ooh, that. Yeah. Yep, shouldn't do this. Definitely should not do this. I can actually, it says here start the gauntlet, right? Oh, it was in. I'm saying to myself, you shouldn't do that. And what is the boy doing? The gauntlet. What is the boy doing? The boy is doing it. This is the worst kind of programming there is. But for now, let's see if this works. Yeah, so I should have overwritten this one. I should still be here, but I should now have 0 material. Oh, I still have 10. I overwrote the first one, so that is fine. That's cool. Now I go into the gauntlet. And I exit the gauntlet. Ooh, it still saves. And the level name does not equal. Oh, it actually says so right here. So why isn't it like this? Just so in this case, so if I would load this one again, I guess I should now have 0 material. Yeah, so I have, which is fine for now. Done saving. Yeah, so now only saves once. The gauntlet is actually the name. Did it still save? Yes, it did, right? It is cleared. Quitting the progress. Yes. So here it feels the level name is actually not. Oh, wait. Oh, that is when it is loading the gauntlet. Oh. Oh. Ah, so this is, I see what's happening now. This is an interesting conundrum. So we want to load. Alright, so we can fix this in a different way, which might actually be a better way, and that is to current material. As soon as we just save it, and as soon as we end the gauntlet, no, as soon as we destroy this scene, we say this might work. And then he can actually save it. So that might be fine. So we basically save the material. Alright, so let's delete all of this. Let's make a new game. Alright, let's get 1, 2, 3. Let's do it a little bit faster. Alright. So we got saved and we have 3 material. Let's load that game. Right, 3 material. Let's exit this. Let's start a gauntlet. So now we have 0. Now I exit this scene. Ah, it actually says added 3 material. So if I now load this one, I'm here and I should have 3. Ooh, I have 0 material. Why? Because it said done saving and then it added the material. Aha. So this does not happen. This does not happen after I have been saved. So I cannot do it in gauntlet end, because if the gauntlet ends, I can basically halfway through I can. So the problem is, as soon as I load, because I am done saving, where did that comment come from? All right, here in the player data. So here in the game manager. So here it is, but here I load the level, so I save it. Then I load the level. And the other one gets destroyed, and thus onDestroy is called. So the problem is I actually don't want to use the material. I want to have a separate gauntlet material. And that is what I want to have displayed. Or let's do some nasty programming again. is it? Scene manager dot scene name? No? What is it? Oh, get active scene dot name does not equal the gauntlet. Now this is some nasty shish. But basically, when I'm in the gauntlet and I load something else, I don't want the game to save. I just don't want the game to save. So now it should not say done saving. And it does not. So I load this level. I should have 3 material. No, I had 0 because I played it when the thing was the thing. Oh, did I find a hack? I think I did, because now I should have 5 material, because it said... Did it say done saving? Yes, it said. So now I should have 5 material, but the boxes are back again. So now I have 10, and now I exit. I have found an infinite material glitch, but whatever. So now I go into the gauntlet. My material is 0. I said, exit this, man. I'm like, not into it. And now I have 10. That is epic. Epico. So it finally works. After way too long. Because now, if I go and kill this, I have 3. 4. I have 4 to spend. So that is fine. Where are you? Oh, there. Lol. Ah. Oh, shush. No. You kill him, Patrick. You kill him. Okay. Hey. So I died? Oh, I died, but then Patrick killed the last. Anyhow, I think we are on track again. Wait, cancel for a second. Gauntlet mode should be locked. Now I can go to the gauntlet. Yes, because it will unlock once you finish the game. Yeah. All right. So now we can start working on this again. So, but the thing was. I think I know what to do, so
Create new wave, spawn enemies, find enemies, generate enemies, check wave complete. So I think, because then it generates a new wave. So this can only happen if player stated machine dot no get instance hey is dead. That is indeed what I wanted to say, but it is not is dead, it is dead. Yes, and I will make a private coroutine wave complete routine. So we'll cut this one off anytime. Yeah, so now it cannot start, and I could even have a failsafe in here. If we are not dead, only then you can create a new wave. So that is fine. Okay. Now we might also want to do something about this terrible looking arena. And I also want to do something about the fact. What time is it? 9:15. Yeah, we might do that thing. So what I want to... So the thing is, or at least the problem is that I'm having right now. As soon as you... which is weird. It is really weird. Really weird. Because I say activate enemy. So this is a very long, I think I need to rewrite this, but nevertheless what this does is this checks if Carly is within the activation range of Carly. The log. Let's see what happens. Alright, so I see an enemy activated. So they are all activated. Every single one of them. And then almost. So the funny thing is, the boombox is not deactivated.
which would make sense because I am actually inside his sphere. And yet, only if I leave, then enter, is it sort of activated. So it is activated, but it is not active. Is it actually so that I also need to activate it? Just because it's so there's like activate enemy means started behavior, but activate actually I can have inactive enemies which just basically don't respond. They are basically turned off. No, so it's still so that activated that one. As long as I stay within its cone. So now it deactivates and then it activates. So what is the... So what would happen if I did that manually? So I reset it, then I deactivate it, and I activate it as soon as it is spawned in. Would it do then? No. So I'm inside the activation, which is really, really weird. What if I don't activate it at all? What will happen then? It's basically the same. So the weird thing is, does that also work if I just spawn one in here? No, so this one actually does want to kill me. Oh. So this one activates right away. So that is cool. And this one? That one also activates right away. So it does not have anything to do with the fact, but it has to do with the fact that I guess I reset it. Or at least I think it will have to. Is dead is false. Is active is false. Is stunned is false. I reset it. I unstun it. Alright, fair enough. Full reset on player. Oh, that also. So I basically said is active to false. But that should check then. Reset. Oh, unstun. Oh. So the funny thing is, I say reset, and in reset I also do a unstun, but that unstun already activates should do that last. Do I necessarily? I don't necessarily think I want to. I think I just want to do this. I don't necessarily want to activate it again. I just want to unstun it. This is better. It's neater this way. Because when I... Hey, Dimitar, good evening. When I unstun an enemy, I don't necessarily want to activate it again, I guess. Or reset it. Reset an enemy. I want to unstun it, because if it's killed, wow, it's stunned, and I spawn it again. Alright. So these are all now just idling. So funnily enough, so now he has seen me and now he's coming towards me. Now he's shooting at me. But he only did that because I walked out of his... Or he walked outside of my activation range and now I'm in it. Now he gets me. But so, the weird thing is, as long as I stay in his activation range, at the start, he thinks that is fine. So he spawns in my activation range. But it's like literally so that, yeah, it's not an AI companion. I think this code is just also... It's unreadable, but it also has to do with the fact that if Carly is on a different level than an enemy that they don't activate, and if you have like a couch co-op player, so player 2, then enemies also activate when the companion is near an enemy. Why would this not be true? Let's log some things. Checking activation. case A true. Hey, welcome. Alright, let's do it like this. Let's now start it. I'll pause it. I'll select all the blast beetles and I will tick them off. So, not inactive, there's in play. Check an activation. So actually none of them are true. How can none of them are true? Be true. That is interesting. That is really interesting. So, let's check this out. If we are lower than Huh. So the distance between this is not all right, let's log that. That is really interesting. Let's log it like this. I can log this, right? This is just a statement, no? Oh. Alright, but we can check. Can I? Oh, I can. That, yeah. That is really interesting, though. That none of it is true. Just that one. I do want to stay close. And thus the distance is 12. Alright. The distance is between that one and that, and thus the distance is 15. If I look at his activation range, it is 40. And so this should be true. Right? Alright. And then or and the enemy is active and it is not dead. Not the enemy is active. The enemy is not active because I just reset it. And this reset sets the enemy active false, and so the enemy active should be false. But you know what? Let's check that out. No, that is weird because it doesn't even get. Oh no, wait. Yeah, so is should be false. Yeah. Oh, again we'll see, but I think actually that should not matter because because then it will enemy active is true. It should be false. All right, so that is really interesting because the enemy active true. All right, so who sets enemy active to true? That actually does activate enemy. Reset sets it to false. So only enemy is active. So only activate enemy sets it to true. Is enemy active is true. It should be false. Huh. That is really interesting. So do I anywhere so I only say reset right now. Destructible reset, stop, stun particles. Inactive is false, so why? Why oh why? Death. Unstun. Deactivate enemy. So deactivate enemy sets is enemy active to false. Huh, that is really interesting. Who sets let's find it out. Find all references in enemy. Right. Huh. So the weird thing is only activate enemy sets it to true. But then how is it possible that it is set to true while the enemy is not active? That is really interesting. That is really, really interesting. Let's find that out. Huh. So we'll spawn them in. All right. We have a lot of these. All right. Checking the activation. Checking the activation. All right. Checking the activation. Update. Yeah, because that checks the activation. Oh wait. Do I still log? Yes. Enemy active. Enemy deactive. So it says actually it should be false. Oh wait, I should, if I do want to check it correctly, I should do it like this. All right. Oh, it's way too much. Hey, it actually says here case A is true for the boombox. At least I think so. here all of a sudden it is true, but it should be false. So it said actually case A is true. So it activated the enemy. Enemy activated. It was not. So I say true. Then all sorts of things happen. Now I actually only want to do this if no, does this actually make sense? Oh wait, yeah, no. So could multiple things be true at the same time? See, that is why I'm not a fan of this whole thing. Let's see if we can refactor this, I wanted to say, but I might actually go to the enemy of my enemies, my friend, yes. I might actually turn in soon. Got back yesterday evening quite late. I came from Italy, drove 12 hours. It was a long drive, definitely. Let's refactor a bit. Perhaps we could do this differently altogether and just do like a sphere cast every so in enemy. Let's say private int activation check time. Let's see if we can rewrite this. Start, no, update. So we'll keep everything, but we'll just do it differently. So we'll say if Do I have an active? If not inactive, it should actually be if inactive, return. In any case, if we are inactive, you should not check for activation. Nevertheless, if underscore timer is larger than 0, then we'll say underscore timer min is time dot delta time. Right. Why is that not correct? Oh, this is an int. It should be a float, of course. We should have floats, floaty floats. Let's just make them all floats. Floaty floats. All right. Then, else, if that is the case, we say underscore timer is underscore activation check time, and we check the activation. And as soon as no, you just need to do that all the time. So as soon as you start. We can also reset that there, and then in reset we'll also oh yes, so it was done with deactivate, yeah. Alright, so now it should check. Let's see. Let's see, this should create a timer where every 100 milliseconds enemies should check for the activation. Well, that is not working. It should be calling this. They're not inactive, are they, right? No, they're not inactive. But then why are they not? So the timer is activation time check is 100 F. Does that matter? I don't think so. Let's log a timer. They should all, my hair is very poofy, they should all at the same time. Oh, it just takes a, oh. Oh, it's 100 seconds. Wait. I thought it was milliseconds. I am such a poo-poo. Every 10th of a second. Why not every... Oh. Wait, did it actually work? What? Why is this now working? I hate the fact that it is working right now. Because we didn't do anything. Well, we're not doing it every frame anymore. But... I hate the fact that it's working. I honestly hate the fact that it's working. So now it might actually still be active. And now it just isn't anymore. Now it is. I hate the fact that it's working. Quickly buy upgrades before you die. Where's the other one? There is something wrong with the laser spinner though. Let's see if we can figure that out, because it should actually be following you. Laser spinner. Let's see if we can figure that out really quick, and then I'm going to leave you all. See, because it at some point does not follow me around anymore. And that is... stay away from player. Only 2. Oh, 4, man. So that is actually the stay away from player. Oh, because that is sort of its cooldown. Oh, that is... oh, no. So it is actually working just fine. The only thing is spin time 2. If I set that to 3 and now move about, we should see it following me longer. Is that because the wonderful things he does? Spin. Stay away, deactivate. Stop to charge. Stay away, activate. Start following slowly. Then we do that for as long as the spin time. Then we have a cooldown time. Then we put away the lasers. So yeah, so no. It's all intended behavior. Alright. Shall I, for funsies, see how far I can get? Like, really? Let's maybe give it a couple of tries. I must say I hate these blast beetles. You just kill them. Thank you. Ooh. I maybe need to make the arena a little bit smaller. All right. Come here, you. It spawns too much of these darn blast beetles. And that is because they are only valued 1. So you will actually... Oh no! The Huawei is complete. Come on, stamina. Oh! So you get damaged by those darn blast beetles too much. Because I am... not patient enough. Oh, bombardier. Alright, so that's not supposed to happen, so... Oh, crapadoozle. Hey, there's a red one. Those are much more aggressive. And I have a darn lot more... Oh, no! Wave 4? Only wave 4? Hey. This is supposed to be tagged debris. That's interesting. Boombot. Box destructible. So if I have all this, should be tagged as destructible. And all of this should be tagged as destructible. Though I'm not sure if it worked. All of this should be tagged as destructible. So I might actually want to spawn in some health sometimes. You know what I could try, because I guess the way that would work, let's say health pickup. And it would not be random. Health pickup, yeah. So, because everyone would have the same. So I could, you know what? Let's do it like this. Let's do it like this. Let's do it like this. Object pool. Let's call it health pickup. So when I create a new wave, spawn enemies. This doesn't have to happen. No, I do want to have this happen. Spawn a health pickup every 4 waves. So if wave number modulo 4 equals 0, this should mean every 4th let's do it differently. Let's say private void spawn health pickup. For now, we'll just copy the code for the enemy. So now it will actually just spawn an enemy. And we'll try this first with every second wave. Budget, no, that doesn't necessarily matter. I also don't want this. I also don't want this. I just want a health pickup. Health pickup. If HP is not 0. 1. What is that? An int. What's wrong with this? Cannot use local variable or local function. Wait. So don't want that. So I'm missing a bracket somewhere, I guess. Oh, I have an extra bracket. Wave number. Yeah, so this should actually already work. So we wanted every, this should be every wave, right? Oh, yeah, wait. Health pickups. Should have spawned one. Yes, it did. It spawned one all the way near the edge. Wave complete. Now spawn another one. Now it should actually spawn another one. No, it did not. Oh wait, did I? Now it's all the odd. And now it should actually spawn one, I believe. Yes, and it actually did. There it is. Yeah, but I believe then my modulo is not correct. No, it should be if just wave number divided by 4 equals no, it's modulo 4, right? Modulo 4. So that is divided by 4. So that is every 4th wave it now spawns a health pickup. Epic. I can actually also spawn extra crates and stuff like that. That is all really cool. And at that, after 2 hours, actually only, I don't know, maybe 5. With that, I'm going to leave you all. Thank you so much for watching me find out my game is broken for 2 hours and 34 minutes consecutively. Such is game dev, I guess. You know, at some point you think your whole game works and then you realize that nothing works because of reasons. In any case, I'm back. I'm finishing this up. Next time we will skim this level and then I am already almost at a point where I am going to ask you guys if you want to alpha test the game. We will, after the gauntlet skinning, make some NPCs and then we're sort of at that stage already. So I'm really excited. But we'll see how long it actually takes. If things keep randomly breaking as they did today, then it might take a couple of weeks, but who knows? We might be there in a couple of days. So stick around for that. Thank you all for being here. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for listening in. Keep deving. Keep working on your own projects. Finish them. And I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.